Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna describe how to apply for your electronic travel authorization to travel to Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, those who have an eligible passport, mostly non-visa required countries passport for Canada, they can apply for an ETA with some exceptions. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. This is not a free process and it costs 7 Canadian dollars. So there are so many fake websites out there that offer similar services. Don't fall through them. Okay. Make sure you apply through the official website. Okay. So on this page, we have a link, apply for an ETA. See, they have clearly uh, described about ETA scams. You can apply one at a time. Okay. So if you have like a family of three, so you need to do it 3 times. You need to submit it 3 times. So that's how it is. And this does not allow you to study. This does not allow you to work. Okay. Make sure you print your receipt right away. Okay. You will hear from us. Okay. They will inform you by email. So now it is asking which passport you have. So I select another. What do you want to plan to do in Canada? So I select visit as a tourist. So they have given the information how to enter, like passport number, how to enter, your country of issue, how to enter. Click. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? I select no. Do it as per your own case. Which travel document do you want to plan to use to travel to Canada? I select passport, ordinary, regular. Code that matches your passport, eligible country. So I select Australia. What is the nationality noted? I select Australia. Passport details, put your passport number. Make sure every piece of information you enter, you check it 2 times, not just once, 2 times. Surname, last name. This is just sample. You do it as per your own case. Date of birth, gender, country or territory of birth, city of birth, passport issue date. Oops, sorry. Expiry date, year, personal details. You're a citizen of Australia. Okay, if you have dual nationality, you can add even more. Marital status, I select never married, single. Have you ever applied for or obtained a visa ET permit to live in Canada? I select no, first application. But if you have done, definitely do that. Occupation, so I'll just say whatever is applicable in your skills. I'm just selecting this job title. Okay, name of employer, whatever it is, your employment, country, city, since what which year select. So you are employed there, say 2022. Prefer language to contact English. Email address, residential address. Do you know when will you travel to Canada? Yes. Which date? So let's say you are traveling soon. This is the time your flight to Canada will depart. Okay. time zone. Have you ever been refused visa work permit? I click no. But answer these questions very honestly and after understanding all of those. In past 2 years, diagnosed with tuberculosis. Do you have any of these conditions? I select none. Briefly indicate if there are additional details, anything you want to write. For example, an urgent need to travel to kind of provide relevant details. Privacy agree. So in signature, just write your name and next is gonna go for the payment. So of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. And if it is granted, you're all good to go. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.